Everyone thinks penguins are cute, but this animal is low-key a criminal. Penguins propose with rocks, no ring, no money, just, I found this pebble, don't ask where. And penguins can drink salt water. They filter the salt through glands near their eyes. So when they look sad, they're literally just flexing biology. They waddle to save energy. That means penguins walk like that on purpose. This isn't clumsiness, this is optimization. And they mate for life. Super loyal, super committed. Sounds like the perfect animal, right? Except penguins steal rocks from other nests because rocks mean better babies. Yes, penguins commit theft for upgrades. So next time you see a cute penguin, remember, someone got robbed for that smile.